Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we will learn how to make this awesome character intro effect inside Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Import your clip to timeline. Then place the cursor head to the frame you want to freeze. And we place it here. Now cut the clip from here by pressing Ctrl plus K. Make sure your clip is selected. After this, we will take screenshot of the clip. Press on this camera icon. Make sure import into project is checked. Click OK. Now we have the screenshot in our project panel. Simply drag and drop it above the clip where you have made the cut. Reduce the duration of image. Now press Alt key and drag the image one track above. It will duplicate the image. Now we will make mask around our subject. Select the top layer. Go to Effects Control. Now select this pen tool and draw mask around the subject. Zoom your clip from here for more accuracy. Now I will fast forward the process so you don't have to wait. Now set screen to fit. In Effects Control, set mask feather to 0. Now select this image. Go to Effects panel and type here Gaussian blur. Simply apply it to the clip. Go to Effects Control. Change blurriness to 50%. And make sure Repeat Edge Pixels is checked. Again go to Effects Control and type here black and white. Apply it to the clip. There is nothing to change here. Now let's select our first image. We will change scale and position of the image. Go to starting of image. Click on Effects Control. Start stopwatch for position and scale. Move 3 frames ahead. Press right arrow key 3 times. Change scale of the image to fit the screen. And also change the position little to right and little bit downwards. Move cursor head little forward and copy last keyframes by simply click on this icon. Now move 3 frames ahead and click on this reset icon to reset the position of the image. Now simply select them and move them at the ending of the image. Now right click on image and nest it. You can give it a name or simply press OK. Now select the clip, go to Effects panel, type here radial shadow. Apply it to the clip. Go to Effects Control, change shadow color to white. Add opacity to 100. Change this projection distance to 4. Or as you like. Now simply change position from the light source. Now move this bottom video clip at the end of screenshot. Let's see how it looks. Let's add ink splash and text to our clip. Use a PNG image for ink splash. Search it on Google or Adobe Stock. Import it to the project panel. First move this nested clip to one layer above. Now simply drag and drop it. Reduce the duration and also change scale and position of the ink splash. Let's add text. Press on this icon, or you can simply press T on your keyboard. I don't know his name, so I will type David the Cyclist. Edit the text on Essential Graphic. Simply select it and do your editing. Now move text layer above ink splash. Let's change color of our ink. Select the layer. Go to effects and type here change to color. Apply it to the clip. Go to effects control. Select this icon from and click on ink splash. Now select the icon from to and select the color of his shirt. Now change to hue, lightness and saturation. If after this your color is not changed, so your image is not PNG, make sure to download PNG image. Now let's animate the ink and text. Select the ink layer, go to effects control and start the stopwatch and decrease the scale. Don't decrease it more than 5 and move this keyframe at the end. Now scale starting keyframe a little bit. Also start stopwatch for rotation. Change value to -5. I have already done it. Move this cursor head little ahead and make it +5. Move it at the end. Now repeat same process for text. It looks something like this.